How to record yourself using Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to record yourself using Canva. I've used this method myself to record my own YouTube videos. You can also use this method to record yourself as a talking head if you're giving a presentation. And all you have to do is go over to the left here where it says Uploads, click on that, and then you just click on Record Yourself. From here, you have a few options: record a talking head, record a voiceover, screen recorder for desktop, and generate AI voice. So for this, we want to record a talking head, and then there I am. So you can see you have a few options. You have camera and screen, and then you have screen. So in this case, we just are going to pick camera. We'll go back to settings here. And then you obviously want to make sure you have the right microphone and the right webcam actually picked. So in this case, we have the webcam, we have my headset. Actually, I'm using my headset for this video, so we'll just keep the webcam. And then from here, you have a few options as well with how you want this to look. So you can mirror yourself. You can actually turn this into a rectangle if you want versus a circle. You can turn the camera off. So if you wanted to just do a voiceover, this is actually another way for you to do a voiceover. And then you can also have effects. There's skin smoothing here, so that's 100, 0. It's subtle. I've used it. Who doesn't like a little skin smoothing? And then from here, you would just hit record. So it gives you that little countdown there. And then you can see here that it tells you how well the sound is picking up on the microphone that you're using. And so we'll just hit done, and I'll show you where that goes. Just go to the top here where it says save and exit.
So it gives you that little countdown there.
And now you can see myself here
that it tells you how well the sound is picking up on the
microphone
that
we're
you're
using. The same speaker here for this
and
video.
So we'll just hit done, and I'll show you where
you can see that this is where it would be if you were recording an actual talking head for a presentation. You can always make this bigger, smaller, and then you can also, if you wanted to, go to Uploads here. We'll go back, go to Videos, and this will save into your uploaded videos automatically. So if I wanted to edit this as a full YouTube video, I would just click on this.
So
it automatically gets added here. I'll delete this. And then I now have my YouTube video. So this will be 1920 by 1080. So this is what YouTube obviously requires for their videos. And you also have the option of adding filters after the fact as well. I showed you how you could do it before, but you can also pick a filter this way. And that is the very simple way that I record myself using Canva. Again, you can use this to film just yourself and upload it as a full video onto YouTube or whatever platform you use. You can use this method to film yourself doing some kind of presentation as a talking head. There's lots of options here. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.